today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, history does not repeat, but it certainly rhymes. You probably heard that a few times. No matter what they are saying on Twitter, no matter what they are saying on YouTube, this video will show you one Bitcoin chart which is potentially changing the whole game for Bitcoin. If you are asking yourself, is Bitcoin gonna go lower? Did we hit the bottom already? What should I do trading wise right now? And what are the next price targets for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term? This video is made for you. Make sure you smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Let's hit 10,000 likes on today's video. Thank you so much for all your support. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Eid Mubarak to all my Muslim friends, of course, as well as today is a big celebration. And now let's talk about the Bitcoin price, because I will talk about my trade as well. People are asking me what is happening with that. Chris, you are so crazy. Why is it still open? $232,000 in a profit, 111% lucky number in a profit right now. The question is, am I gonna get wiped out here? Well, let's talk about this first. Let's talk about this beautiful chart. And I was just recently, I also saw something on TradingView which really inspired me, and I was like, hey, this cycle is extremely similar. Not the cycle, this bottom phase, this bearish phase right now is extremely similar to the phase we had in 2018. In fact, it's like almost the same. And yet people are saying this time it's different. Actually, the cycles are same but different. Same but different. We are saying in Thailand, of course. And I want to show you something. I want to show you these crazy similarities, and it's not concerning similarities because they carry some very bullish news. Let's talk about it. So first of all, look at this. We are having here a potential resistance established with 1, 2, 3 touch points, right? Keep this in mind, make a mental screenshot. And now let's compare with 2018, 2022 low, question mark, reason, because we don't know, is it really the low? And now let's go to 2018. So what we can see here is, and now listen very closely, guys. We were breaking lower. We hit the resistance right here. We hit it a third time, a fourth time, fifth time, fourth or fifth time respectively. In fact, what you can see, we hit the low and then established higher lows for Bitcoin, consolidating among horizontal resistance, weakening the resistance until we eventually broke it and went towards a rocket ship towards the upside here, right? And this resistance, new support, was actually held even in 2020 at the low. We hit here $3,800. It held the support. This was important support for the time being and for the time to come 2 years later. Now let's go back all the way to the present moment of now, where we broke lower, right? We hit the low. We actually tested the resistance 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Let's say 3 times, right? Actually 4 times, but let's say 3 times here on the daily candles. And we are establishing, at least so far, higher lows for Bitcoin. So yes, if we are getting a resistance here, I would love Bitcoin to break out and confirm the W breakout, go all the way to 26. Maybe a little bit too early. Let's wait and see. But if Bitcoin is getting rejected here, high likelihood of establishing another higher low until we eventually break it and go towards this new rocket ship towards the upside. And I want to tell you something. Guys, the similarities are crazy. On the weekly RSI, we are having the same levels like in 2018, Bitcoin severely overbought. We are having also on the on-chain indicators, the net unrealized profit and loss ratio, both extremely dark in the red, extremely in the capitulation zone. Compare 2018 with 2020. There are so many things coming together right now that I'm really asking myself, hey, do you really think Bitcoin is going to go down to 12,000, 8,000, 9,000 US dollars? In fact, if you go over to YouTube, Twitter, not blaming anyone, I'm one of them, I'm on Twitter, I'm on YouTube, but everyone is saying, hey, now we are going lower, right? At least I'm sticking my ground. I was bullish, I'm always bullish, I'm still bullish. But everyone is saying we are going down to 10, 12,000. Go to your neighbor. If he holds Bitcoin, ask him. Almost everyone is saying that. And if almost everyone is saying that, almost everyone has already sold. The selling pressure is almost not there anymore. Low volume, low buying pressure, I admit, low selling pressure, but that is exactly the characteristics we are usually having on bear market bottoms. We had it in 2018 and we are having it right now. And I think the most likely scenario, if we are not breaking this W pattern here to the upside, unfortunately, if not, potentially establishing here some higher lows before eventually breaking the resistance towards the upside. And here, dear ladies and gentlemen, I would really love to know, let me quickly go back to the video mode, what you think about that. And by the way, yes, I am having my trade open actually on Bybit, 233,000 US dollars approximately in profit, 111%. Yes, if you want to trade as well, be cautious. This is a 2 million US dollar trade, almost 100 Bitcoin in this trade, leveraged of course. If you want to trade as well, 10,000 US dollars in the pinned comment down below. Click the Bybit link. Click is the step number 1. Register step number 2. Deposit step number 3. But make sure as step number 0 in front of all of them that you are only doing that if you are an experienced trader. But if you are, take advantage of the bonus, use it for your own purpose and trade when the time has come. Right now, definitely guys, be very cautious, especially with high leveraged short-term trades, day trading and stuff. Not my thing. I'm doing swing trading on lower leverage. This could be a potential setup as we have seen it in 2018. And now I want to know from you, what do you think about that? Smash up the like button, but more importantly, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below and let me know what you think about the current situation right now. I will be going down and answering a few of your comments as well. Upvote each other's comments. Thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.